Welcome to Central Lombok. Central Lombok has a million charm and potential. One of them is the tourist attraction of the Elong waterfall. Elong waterfall can be reached in about 60 minutes from the city of Raya, or 5 minutes from circuit 459 motocross. Located in Lantan Pilik, Nor Batu Kliang district. This waterfall has 3 showers with a height of 14 meters. The sensation of the water is cold and fresh because it flows directly from the Rinjani mountain. Come, enjoy, fresh, Celengi, the road, Elong waterfall.
Welcome to Elong waterfall.